Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we finally get around to dropping the engine out of the Touareg. So as you've probably noticed, this is the after the finished product, or I guess the halfway point. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how we pulled it out, and we're gonna get into that right now.
It's a tandem pump, by the way.
Tandem pump.
Not a fuely pumping thingy that...
Oh, it's a fuel pump.
Did you get a runner prize,
Runner car. So when we did the alternator and the tandem pump seal, we took care of most of the engine oil leaks. It sat all weekend and didn't drip anything. That's very uncommon for this. But as Ted's taking it apart here, unplug the transmission, and the plug is leaking. So I guess we'll have to do something about that. That's probably not supposed to be that way. All right, so we're back on the top side here. Ted has the drive shaft and exhaust out of the way. Gonna just take bits off here, that stuff. And then he'll head back underneath for the messy stuff. And it is diesel oil, so it will be messy. And to the suggestion of Daniel, we're going to track our glove usage. By ours, I mean Ted's glove usage. And what are you on? You're on second pair. So orange gloves, orange marker, right up there. We are on one, two. So two. Gonna rip the intake stuff off, and then maybe get the fans out. Give you a little more room. As you can see, there's plenty of room to work on it here. You can see plenty of stuff. Cowl will probably have to come off. But we will continue on. And by we, I mean Ted. Ted will continue on. Maybe at some point in this video I'll actually get dirty.
Doubt it.
Probably not. You waiting for it, aren't you?
Yep.
I'm gonna get douched. I was like, get that fucking light on, man. And there we go. I got it in the face.
Took one for the team. Still closed.
So, just got done sucking down the AC. The cowl is out of the way. And pretty much everything is unhooked. So, I guess that leaves us with dropping it out.
Alright, go down first. No, it's over here.
That's right, wrong side.
Wrong horse. Perfect.
All right, so
Alright, here we go.
Here we go.
I'm gonna fall right out.
We have our jack stands, specialty jack stands, strategically placed. Bolts. That's a technical tap. So they're all out. And it didn't fall on the ground, so guess we did something right. Ted did something right.
You nervous yet?
It's the worst that can happen. That one's still hooked up, just in case it would have let loose, would have hung on. Well, that worked too well.
Well, it's been off before.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
You going the right way?
Yeah, the wrong way?
I said, Chad, how you doing? I'm in the car because it's been snowing out.
I think everything else is done except for this one. It didn't seem like we were. See, the problem is I couldn't see it because it's f***ing black. Bolts are black. Everything's black. I didn't know if you knew what a hose snippers was.
I just figured you would have already had one out.
No, actually, it doesn't take much to extract one of these.
Yeah, find something.
Yeah, grab me the pliers I use for
Hose clamps.
hose clamps. Really. I don't know the technical term for those.
These are the pliers he uses for hose clamps.
What's the name for them over there? Keyboard warrior.
Hose clamp pliers.
Oh yes, more fuel.
Is that what it was?
I'm guessing it's for the fuel heater.
Oh, the Wabasco Tabasco heater.
Alright, go up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
What's this guy?
What the fuck's that guy? I meant to unplug him.
Greasy.
I'll get out of your glory shot here.
Oh. Got it on the other side too.
Good job, Joe.
Oh, the hard stuff. There it is. So, smart guy I am, I decided to drop the engine out of the Touareg in the middle of a blizzard. My favorite car to drive in the winter, and it doesn't even have an engine. So instead we got my winter beater. Choice for tonight is the 2001 Boxster with the ski box on top, as you do. But this one actually gets around decent. It's got the studded snow tires. It's kind of goofy looking, but it does work. But let's check on that Touareg. Back inside. And door's locked. Keys are upstairs. All right, back upstairs. And there it is. Engine is out, like you saw a few minutes ago. We are 24 hours later, 24 hours into this project. Not 24 hours in labor. 4 hours in labor. 24 hours in actual time. And by we, I mean Ted. As you can see, I moved things out of the way and hit buttons. Other than that, I'm worthless. But that's why we got Ted. So that's good. But here is the lump. There it is on our specialty jack stands. Our engine cart is sitting over there with a 2.7T out of an Audi on it. So we make do. And this thing is big. But like I said, 4 hours into it, wasn't too bad. Not as daunting as everyone makes it out to be. I have found this entire car, or this entire Touareg, not a car, has been not as daunting as everyone makes it out to be. So 4 hours in dropping it. So my light just died? My light died. Let me grab another light. We got all the SUVs in. All right, so another light. A little different than the other one, but this works. It is an oily mess. Yeah, that's gross. There is a lot going on with this thing. And if you want to see what happens when you leave a car sit, look at them things. Those rotors are chooched. I think there's no saving them. Look at that. That's nice. So yeah, lesson on this one is don't let them sit. It's not good for them. This thing got a little crusty underneath, but we'll save it. Other thing is, don't buy a V10 Touareg. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's fun. But be prepared for the headache of your life. So that right there, that kind of dispels the myth of what is commonplace on the internet in saying this is almost impossible to do. It's not that bad. As you see, the engine's out. And Took us like 4 hours. So we pretty much did this with basic tools. That is all the tools we used there. Other than that, 2-post hoist, 6 jack stands, very exclusive, fancy jack stands, and engines on the ground. So, not terribly exotic. If you ask anyone else, you would think you're working on a Lamborghini, which is also not bad to work on. So, there's that. It can be done. In fact, it's just like pulling any other Audi engine trans out. Same thing. So, there we have it. In the next video, we are going to go through why we pulled it out. We're going to delete it. It was trying to kill me with some exhaust leaks. Oil leaks are better, but still there. And we got some running issues, so we wanted to pull it out, get the exhaust leaks fixed, clean it up, straighten out a few things. So, if you want to see that, subscribe. We'll have that video in a couple days here. Other than that, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good night. Man, we got all the fun stuff in here. Land Rover. Land Rover. And our little Kubota. Look at that. It's cute. Diesel. Snowplow.
You can almost say this is a reman transmission.
How black it is? Came black already. Yep. There's like be the fuckers that have put this thing together. Really. Fuck that.
It's quite the fucking idea.
Looks probably really clean too.
We only did the one side pump, right?
Okay, that side.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The bulb
Wait,
was
wait,
ready.
wait, 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 wait. Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
No, I thought you were cleaning it. No, you can spray it down.
I can wait till you're done.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's done.
Yeah, sorry, I've been.
Right now it's a virgin motor. We haven't fucked with it
Yeah,
yet.
fuck with it.
Yep.
So it's ready up there?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you should have took your snow blower and fucking walked your way up.